Vector Motors had a vision: create an American-made supercar to compete with Ferrari and Lamborghini. Amongst other limited models, in 1993 the Avtec WX3s were unveiled, but only one prototype of each model was ever produced: a teal coupe and a purple roadster. They were powered by twin-turbo V8 engines tuned to about 800 horsepower and put out tops over 230 miles per hour. Fast forward 25 years, and now they're both here at AutoMat to be prepped to go to auction. Watch as the crew re-dyes the leather seats and panels and details the interiors and engine compartments. They're expected to fetch over $500,000 apiece.